Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is February 2 and nakikita nyo naman sa title sa baba. Yes, we are flying back to Qatar. So maybe I will stay there for, let us say, 3 months also or more. It's depend. Kasi nga hindi pa naayos ang aking FRB dito sa KSA and napaka-complicated ang pag-apply namin, so we attempt many times and inshallah it will be okay the next time. So I'll update you later guys once nasa airport na tayo. We are in the airport na ako, mag-check-in lang ako and yeah, I'm sad pero what to do, we need to exit and inshallah we will come back. So guys, nandito na ako sa waiting area, nakapas na ako sa check-in pero na-hold ako sa immigration. The thing is, sabi ng officer, overstay na ako ng 14 days. So guys, kasi ang visa ko guys, it's multi-entry visit visa. So, valid siya for 1 year. At nakalagay kasi doon, it's duration of stay is 90 days. So, hindi siya malinaw. So, ngayon nalaman namin na yung 90 days pala na yun lang yung pwede mong i-consume within the year ng visa mo. Kasi yung ginawa ko is last year, nung nag-umrah ko, yung first umrah ko, nagstay ako nandito ng 15 days. But before that, meron pa akong, I think, 1 week. 1 week yata yung unang stay ko, yung pagdating dito ng asawa ko. So, ang sabi ng officer na nag-interview sa akin, kailangan kong bayaran yung 1,400 na overstay penalty. So, 1,400 Saudi Riyal, it's equivalent to 21,000 pesos. At nakakapanghinayang talaga guys. Kasi hindi naman namin alam eh. And nawala ako guys, grabe. Sobrang nakakahinayang yung 1,400. Kung alam lang namin, sana mas maaga akong nag-exit, 'di ba? Pero hindi kasi namin naiintindihan yung tungkol dun sa visa. Pero okay lang yun guys. I hope na next time na babalik ako dito sa KSA, it's FRB na ako or family residence na ako. Kasi sumubok yung asawa ko na mag-apply and it's too complicated. At talagang, kasi Moroccan siya, Filipino ako, tapos yung marriage contract namin is Philippine. So, to process yung visa, mahaba-habang proseso. Kailangan ko umuwi ng Pilipinas, i-apply niya yung visa, and sa Pilipinas ako manggagaling. So, merong ibang option and we will stick to that option. So, inshallah, magiging okay siya. So, I have to go back to Qatar and stay there for 3 months at least. And the good thing is, yung previous company ko. So, kukunin ulit nila ako and magsa-start ako mag-work bukas. And still, lucky pa din. And kasi maganda yung separation namin ng company ko and they allow me to go back to work kahit 3 months akong nawala or 3 months akong resign sa kanila. So, yun lang guys. I'm still waiting sa ating boarding and right now I think it's 9:45. So, my flight is 11:30. So, still have 2 hours maghihintay. So, nagkape lang ako kanina and yun, tignan lang natin. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya kapag boarding na. So, it's 10:40 now guys and I think they are calling for boarding. But we have to wait guys. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Hindi talaga makaget over kanina guys. So guys, we are here in the airplane and just gusto sana makipagpalit nitong kasabi ko. Ay, mag-asawa sila. Gusto makipagpalit. Sabi ko, pwede naman. Kaya lang, biglang nagbago yung isip guys. So, nandito ako sa aking upuan ngayon. We are here in Qatar. So guys, we are here and I'll be waiting for the baggage lang. Hindi pa siya lumalabas. So, napagod ako guys. Yung pagod, tension, you know what I mean? So, I will update you later guys kapag nakauwi na tayo. Guys, we are done. Nakuha ko na yung baggage. And yeah, let's go home. So guys, mag-withdraw muna ako kasi walang pambayad sa taxi. Excuse me, there is any ATM machine here?
ATM is straight in there.
Okay.
That's the problem.
Thank you. So, kasi dati paglabas mo, merong QNB machine dyan sa gilid ng WH Smith. Ngayon, nandun na daw sa ano. So, punta tayo sa taxi. Kailangan ko ng ATM. Excuse me, where's the ATM machine? Straight? Okay. Thank you. Withdraw muna tayo guys. Wait lang. Yun guys, nakapag-withdraw na ako. Ngayon tayo na umuwi. Let's go home. So guys, nasa taxi na tayo.
Hi guys, I'm home. Sa aampon sa akin pansamantala. Aampunin muna nila ako guys. So, dito muna ako. So, ayan guys, magbibihis na ako at magpapahinga ako saglit. See you. Sayang talaga yung one. Bye!